When you were 40 years old, did you still have the same figure as you were when you were young? In fact, very few people can always maintain a fit figure. Work and family take up a lot of your time, you have no time to exercise or fitness, no scientific planning in your diet, your body will deform and gain weight when it heats up. Is there a way to burn belly fat without exercise? Of course there are. In 2012, researchers from the Hokkaido University Graduate School of Medicine ran a weird experiment. They fed rats a high-fat diet with or without capsaicin for 8 weeks. At the end of the study, which was published in the July 2010 issue of the Journal of Proteome Research, rats who were fed a high-fat diet with capsaicin experienced a lot more weight loss and decrease in body fat than compared to the non-capsaicin group. Why? Well, according to the researchers, capsaicin turned up the activity of proteins inside fat cells that break down fat. Plus, capsaicin also reduced the activity of enzymes that are responsible for synthesizing fat, thereby preventing the development of mature fat cells. So basically, the capsaicin raised the inner thermostat of the rats, turning their bodies into a veritable fat-burning furnace, and completely sabotage the body's ability to create mature fat cells in the first place, leading to a tremendous loss of fat without any rat aerobics or exercise of any kind. This means you can actually use unwanted white fat as fuel instead of burning sugar like most people, but the easiest way to imagine how brown grease works is to imagine a car accelerating on the engine and clutch pedals in the case of pushing all the way to the end. Brown fat eliminates calorie burning of fat and sugar through the action of a class of regulatory proteins called uncoupling proteins. When the brown fat mitochondria are decoupled, it is like rotating the engine all the way to red without letting the car into gear. Suddenly, when you burn a lot of fat without moving your muscles, you lose weight while watching TV on your hips. But the only real source of capsaicin is cayenne pepper. You know, those things make you feel dizzy and sweaty, and hope you can bury your head in a large bucket of water until the pain disappears. Are there better alternatives? Of course there is. A spice called the Holy Grail. This secret spice can raise your body temperature and help you turn bad white fat into good brown fat. Of course, this kind of spice needs to cooperate with relevant knowledge to play a role. If you want to learn such knowledge and methods, please find the detailed content below the video. There you will learn something. How to elevate your levels of the master fat-burning hormone by 1,300% in women and 2,000% in men so your body becomes a raging fat-burning furnace every night, burning away unwanted fat while you sleep without even having to set foot in a gym. The white fat fuel secret that forces your body to stop feasting on sugar as your primary energy source and has your body and cells gobbling up your white fat like pudding so only your lean, beneficial brown fat remains. The thyroid accelerator technique anyone with at least a 4th grade education can use to turn your thyroid dial up to 11 almost automatically, dramatically increasing your rate of weight loss. How to turn back the clock on your skin so you have the same clear, vibrant skin you had as a teenager, even if you're decades past your prime and have smoked a pack a day for years. Sick of being tired and grumpy all the time? I'll teach you a simple dietary trick that reduces the depression chemicals in your brain almost instantly, leading to a dramatic improvement in your mood in just 1 or 2 days. Are you suffering from type 2 diabetes, or has your doctor warned you that you are pre-diabetic and need to take action now? You'll discover how to reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 33% by doing nothing more complicated than drinking this tea. What the satiety switch is, and how to flip the switch on your hunger so you never get the munchies or the desire to cheat on your diet ever again. How to feed your libido with one cheap, abundant and decidedly unsexy food. The insulin time machine method to completely reverse any level of insulin resistance. The real reason for boomerang dieting, why you always seem to get fatter and less healthy after doing any kind of fad diet, and a method as easy as counting to 10 that almost guarantees you will never gain back the weight again. One simple trick you can use to increase your bone density without ever having to pick up even a light set of weights. How to reduce cancer-causing inflammation throughout your body without dangerous and expensive drugs. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.